Hi guys, and welcome to another van build. It's going to be a mini one this time.
This will be a reconversion of Keith. He was originally our first camper van.
But then we decided we wanted something bigger, so we bought Justin our Ford Transit.
So we're going to convert Keith back to a camper van.
And we're going to film it, and hopefully it shouldn't take too long. So Keith's in a 2005 Nissan Elgrand, and first thing Mike's going to do, he's going to put the flooring down. So this is what Mike's done already. He's taken all the runners out. He's going to stuff some insulation in here, and then before he puts the flooring down. Big slab of plywood we bought, 1200 by 2400, and Mike's just going to cut it out so it fits in the back. So this is some of Keith's original flooring, so Mike's going to use that as a template. We had these bits here cut out to go over the runners, but he's taken the runners out now. So what he's going to do is get a jigsaw, cut around, cut the whole thing out so it fits flush on the floor in there. It'll be nice. We're going to try and use old stuff that we've already got lying around. So we've got all this wood, and we've also got some tongue and groove flooring left over from another project.
Right, oh no, it's 2.4, isn't it? Not 2 metres. I'm still not going to go, sorry.
So Mike thought it was 2 metres, not 2.4 metres, so he's got to make a couple of extra cuts. So Mike's got his flooring in. Well, this is just the ply flooring. He made a bit of a mistake, so he's just going to put some little inserts in there and there. Found some laminate flooring left over from another project. So Mike's got his laminate flooring down. That looks pretty good. It's pretty smart, Mike.
Yep, not too worried about the bits around here because that's all going to be underneath the cupboard.
So now we're going to get some cabinets built, basically. So I've just marked out the layout Keith's going to have as a camper. So along here is going to be a squab with a bed, and it's going to be there all the time. Over there is where the toilet's going to sit. So all the space in here is going to be open space until the bed's made up at night, and then it's going to make one big bed. Along here, this little space here is going to be a pull-out drawer with a kitchen in it. It's going to be the water bottles. This is going to be a bed, which will probably be a single bed, but it's also going to be a seat during the day, which is going to come all the way out to here. So it's going to be 600 wide. So it's going to be like a U-shaped seating area. And along the back here, we're going to have the sink, which is part of the kitchen unit. Mike's currently working on the base that's going to sit here. This bit here is what he's working on at the moment.
This is going to be the upright supporting the base, and then here I've got to put a runner.
Put the slide out drawer.
And a slide out drawer.
And this is the top, he's already cut it out.
Up there like that.
Yeah, so this bit here is going to sit on the floor, and he's going to drill that into the floor, and this is going to be the top, which is going to form part of a seating area and a bed base. So these are heavy duty runners that will hold the fridge and the kitchen area.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
All the way out there.
Yeah.
Like that.
So Mike's made the base for one side. Oops, it's a bit wobbly, but he's going to drill it into the floor. I'm getting in trouble for wobbling it. Now we're just about to fit it in the car, so we'll see how it goes. So it looks right. I'm just making sure the bottles fit, so it comes across a bit further than I thought it was going to. Pull out drawer coming out here, and then we've got a little space down here. Should be able to fit some
Chairs down there.
Or everything we want to put in is going to fit. So that's the fridge is going to go in there. The toilet's just going to sit here. I'm just going to pull it out as you need to use it. Pull all the way out here. Enough room to sit there and use it, I think. So now Mike's just pocket holing it into the floor. So now Mike's going to put the heavy duty runner, which we got from Bunnings.
I've actually pre-drilled the holes, so it's a case now of finding them.
So Mike's got his first slider on. Is that as far as it comes out?
There's got another one. There's a section on here.
And now he's just put the other one on. Now we have to build a little drawer, basically. Right, so Mike's just working on the rear bit.
So it's going to go there, maybe.
Yeah, and then a shelf across the top with the little sink in it. So this is a cabinet Keith originally had when he was a campervan. So we're just going to reuse it. We've got a bigger hole here. We can put some drawers in here. So Mike now making the frame for the bed. This is just for the 600 wide portion of the bed. This is the length it's going to be, 180, 600 wide. The bed itself is actually going to be 190 long. This is going to be the top of half of the bed. And what he's doing, he's going to put slats in, and is it going to something like this, isn't it?
Yeah.
To extend the bed, he's going to pull the slats out. The slats are going to go inside of each other and pull out to make a bed. The bed base, this is going to be the bed top. He's made that. Now he's just doing the bits that are going to come down, it's going to sit on. And he's just trying to get them the right height, because it's got to come just below the height of this, so when we put the plywood on top, it comes even. I know there's probably a way of doing it, maybe using a tape measure.
Stop filming me, I don't want to be on camera.
Too late, you're all over YouTube. So Mike's almost finished the bed base, well, half of the bed base. Right, it's in. And what's this one?
It's another leg got going.
Another leg.
So it's going to go there like that.
It's the whole precision measurement thing. Mike was trying to get this flush with this, and that's pretty perfect. Mike's just bringing the bed base that we had in Justin. He's going to put it down.
Boots on in bed.
Long enough for you?
Yeah.
Yeah, because your feet can just dangle over the end there. You can move your seat forward at night. And
this is for extending the bed. This is going to be the legs of the pull-out, and then this piece of wood I'm going to cut into strips. And you can see the arrows there. That arrow stay in. This one will come out. That piece will come out. That piece will come out. Oops, go, oops, and back. Hopefully, that's the idea behind it. See if it works in practice.
so Mike's making the pull-out drawer to go on the back of the van. So Mike's built his box. He's got his runners on.
No,
oh, he hasn't. I'm just marking his spot. He said he wants to try it out first before I film it, but I thought it'd be more fun to film it for the first time. So Mike's going to put his drawer in for the first time. Oh, is it gonna fit?
Yeah.
I could probably help, but oh, look at that. Oh, it's sliding. Ooh. Oh yeah. Look at that. A slide out drawer. Oh my gosh. Do it again.
It works.
It is.
Impressive, Mike.
Oh, what
It
a
fitted first time.
What are those slides rated for?
90 kilos.
Sorry?
Let's just putting a side in. Stop the toilet rolling out.
Now support the seat.
So Keith's coming along well. Got a little spot for the toilet here. Put up a little backrest along there. And if you have a look at it from this side, just stops water splashing into the back there, and if you have a cup of tea or something while you're doing stuff here, it's just going to stop food and whatnot spilling into the back. Yeah, it's quite smart. Got the fridge drawer done. Just got to get the fridge connected. So we're going to try and reuse these squabs. We've already got the one in there, it fits perfectly, but this one is a bit wide, so Mike's going to cut it down, but he's going to try and keep it intact here. So he's just unpicking along here.
Do it slowly, one at a time, so it don't drop any on the floor.
I'll show you the one that's in the car already. This one here just fits perfectly. So these come out of Justin. A plan is coming together. That's what the foam's like. We don't know how old these squabs were, but they don't seem to smell or anything, because it's very expensive to buy foam from Para Rubber, and it's always good to reuse stuff if you got it. So it's just a matter of cutting it all down and then just restapling it to this board.
I just like the way that Justin is so selfless. He just keeps on giving. He's just giving these seats away to Keith.
Oh. So he's just hacking through it with a saw. It's good, Mike. So you just got to do this line down the middle.
It's basically going to be it. Don't do that.
Oh, why?
You get splinters.
Oh, sorry.
Well, the edges are rough.
So that's the shape, basically.
I know, just going to go in there.
I'll make sure it
this
fits.
bit.
Okay. There you go.
So that's how it'd be.
And that's good. I like that. Cool, and it matches the other side.
I'm not going to do any more tonight. Ah, that's my leg, thank you.
Sorry.
Yeah, just need this one to do.
Mike's cut this down. Now he's going to staple it all back together. Oh, he's got a new toy.
Can never get into these plastic things.
Staple gun.
Only trying to do the first one.
Well, it's the best one to film. It doesn't work. Oh, there we go. Ooh! what we've done so far. So we've got this side in, Mike's cut out a bit for this, but we don't have enough of this colour, so we're gonna try and put a different colour in, some denim. My sister gave us some denim, so Mike's just gonna cut that out now and see how that's gonna look, but I think it should be okay. So we've decided to do the middle bit with this because we ran out of material. We'll show you how it looks when it's finished. So just an update on where we're at. Mike's done some painting, it's painted all in here. So we now have pull-out drawer with a working fridge. Very exciting. Cool. There you go. Cooking. Goes back in. This is what we've done for the electrics. We've got this battery box which we had originally in here, 94% charge. So the fridge has been running all night, so it's keeping together okay.
This is the third iteration of Keith.
So this is the finished product.
So, show you around. So, welcome to the inside. Just before you come in through the toilet area, we just show you, we've got a porta potty. Slides out to there. Slides back in. I will show you in a minute why it's there. We've got a nice seating area here and a table, and this is a lagoon mount table. It will swivel. Swivels here. We can sit two of you face to face, or we can have the table right back up here out the way. Underneath here, we've got a couple of storage boxes. This is good for your clothes. Put plastic storage boxes in so you can put wet gear in there if you want to. There's one there, and another one under my feet. And tucked round in here is a rubbish bin. So this tabletop will form part of the bed. It's all rather new, so it's rather tight still. But that will slide off. This slides up here. That comes down there. Got a piece that slides out here. This little extension bit here. That's a bed there. And that bit there. The bed is an odd shape. That's for a reason, so that you can use the toilet when the bed's made up. So the toilet will slide out, and you sit there and you can do your business. Have the seat up, but no. There you go. Sit there.
So Mike is 6 foot and is just enough room for him.
There we are. I can do my business while Joe's in bed. So you can listen to me tinkle.
Yeah, and that's required for self-containment, so it's all legit.
So that's that part. Let's go to the back. Down the back we've got 25 litre fresh water and 25 litre wastewater, and a sink and tap, and a little workbench. We've got a drawer here for your cutlery in bits and pieces. A couple of bins here that you can put your food in, and a slide out drawer here. And look, we have a fridge. If we want to, you can actually put it down and it's a freezer. Hidden under here, it's a cooker. And here we have a push drawer. So it comes out even further. And place for your plates, pots and pans, cups. If you go back on there, that's all right there. That'd be a bit high cooking up here.
Oh, you can sit in bed and cook make your cup of tea in the morning.
Shut that up. Right. Tucked away way under the back here, we have a battery box, a smart battery box, and it's got a 110 amp hour battery in it, and that powers a little port here. We can recharge on USB. It's got another cigarette lighter, and we've got some lights which will stick up around here and plug into here, have on at night, and it also charges the fridge. In here, a little connection here and some plug for a solar panel. So you can have a solar panel out here charging your battery, and the battery also charges from a cigarette lighter when you've got the engine running.